Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'll just get to it. So this analysis of my sketches from this morning is just quick summary and see where I can go make improvements, or where I may need to tweak something, like for instance how I approached that nose was not the best way to approach it, or things that I were actually doing correct, like the proportions in the eyebrows. So yeah, we'll get to it. This is how I am using effective and efficient learning methods and applying it to this topic, which is the fundamentals of sketching, and that is proportions, structure, layout, different things like that, and that's the foundations of a good piece of artwork. For any piece of artwork, sorry, the light is shining right through. So yeah, so the sketch number 1 took 3 minutes 20 seconds. I do, for anybody that hasn't seen these videos, I keep my sketches down to a specific time. Last month it was 4 or 5 minutes, and then I gradually got it down to bang on 4 minutes. This last week, beg pardon, was 3 minutes, and now I'm really trying to get it down to around about the 2 minute mark. And this is so that I can produce very quick sketches to then go ahead and do the rest of the artwork. So 3 minutes 20 seconds, 2 minutes 40 seconds, and then 2 minutes 20 seconds. Yes, it's a very basic sketch, and it's basically, as I said, it's the foundations and the layout of an initial portrait for future pieces of artwork, but it really isn't. It's literally a practice sheet. So yeah, I have applied geometric and observational methods, as well as a good feedback loop, which then provides good speed, which then provides a feedback loop. So that is where the important element is the good speed with the feedback loop, and that is where you become accountable for the mistakes or positive aspects as well. Let me know what you think, and I shall see you next time. Bye guys!